Do you see that? I just got verified on Instagram. I just got verified on Instagram and I'm just so excited and so happy. I had to vlog, so I just wanted to like vlog because I wanted to remember this day. And yeah, this is really not planned, so I'm not even sure where this is going, but I just wanted to share this with you guys and take you along with me, because right now I am still so shaken. I didn't see this coming at all. So I woke up, I went about my day, I oiled my hair and I was just going about my routine, and then I happened to open my phone and log into Instagram, and I saw the blue tick and I was like, what is happening? And it just took me like 2-3 minutes to process that it was real, and I had to like literally like shake Anish up and tell him that, listen, is this real? Like, I'm still shivering. So I was just like, you know, I had to ask him that, just see from your phone, just check from your account, like, is this real? Is this happening? I'm like, oh my god, it's taken me so freaking long to get this. I cannot even tell you. Still so shaken, I don't know where to begin, but thank you so much for all the love. I just put it up on my story, and then my DMs, they literally like flooded with messages from all of you. Let me quickly show you. Firstly, let me show you my blue tick. See that blue tick? I am still tripping over this. I can't believe that this is real. Like, this is my account and I have that blue tick on right next to my name, Streaky Fall. And yeah, so I just put it up and my DMs are like flooded with all your messages. It's just so many messages, and I wish I could just, you know, like get there and hug you all. Like, it just goes on and on and on and on, and my heart was so full. I was like really moved to tears when I saw this, because so when I was like reading all those messages, I was just moved to tears, because it's taken me so long to get this blue tick. Like, it's been years of being on that platform. YouTube is relatively new. I've been here for like such a short period of time, but Instagram, I have an account there since the platform launched in India. I've had an account. I used to be blogging before that, and then Instagram came, and I've been on that platform, and like, trust me, I have been blogging for around like 8 years now. Actually around 9 years now. Like, I started vlogging when it was not even a thing in India. Like, there were like a handful of bloggers who used to do the real deal, which was blogging, not just posting a picture on Instagram. Like 10 pictures that you go out, you shoot, you know, write up that follows the pictures, and the whole, you hit the publish button, and yeah, like that was where it started. And now we are here, and it's just been so many years of work, consistent work on that platform, and my thoughts are all over the place. But I'm just so overwhelmed with the fact that I'm verified on Instagram finally, and all those messages, all those comments, they really mean the like world to me. And thank you so much for supporting me and for being around. You know, this is the caption that I even put up on that post, which I posted immediately after that. As a platform, Instagram has been both equally satisfying and also so hard to create content for, because I have seen such a slow growth on that platform. I'm not even kidding. Like, when this is your full-time job, it really makes you question yourself so many times. It makes you question so many things around you. It makes you question your self-worth at times, and it's just not a good space to be in when yeah, you begin to evaluate yourself with these numbers and things like that, and these small wins. And when you are not winning, you feel like, you know, are you lacking, are you behind? Just a crazy world out there. And as easy as it is to say that, you know, you don't let it bother you, it does bother you at some point in time. And yeah, I'm just so happy that it's finally happened and it's real. And I still, when I open my account, I'm just like, wait, what? Blue tick? That's me? And you know, as crazy as this is gonna sound right now, I also wanted to, you know, just make this vlog because I wanted to share that I would be lying if I told you that I didn't see this coming. Of course, I had zero idea that this would be happening and when it would be happening and, you know, how it would happen and all of that. Like, I had no idea that, you know, I'd suddenly get that blue tick next to my name today. I didn't see that coming. But I'd be lying if I told you that I didn't know I would manifest this in 2020, because that was something that I just knew I was gonna make happen. Like, it's crazy, but I'm gonna put this picture right here to show you how I had actually photoshopped a blue tick next to my name and I had put it on my laptop. So I just knew that, you know, like this year I just believed that I was going to get verified. And yeah, I just knew it that it was gonna happen, and I kept believing in myself and what I was doing. And you know, you just cut out the noise that is around you and you just focus on what you are doing. And then this happened and I was like, oh my god, like I have done this. God, I didn't want to be crying. I thought I'm done with my share. That's why I started vlogging a lot later, because I was a complete mess when this happened. Like, I am such a firm believer in thoughts become things. Everything that I have in my life today, I'd be lying if I told you that I didn't dream it, believe it, and then freaking work very, very hard to get it. Like, it's never come to me easily. It's never come to me easily, you know. Like, everything that I have, I've had to like fight for it. I've had to struggle for it. I've had to work like really, really hard for it. A couple of things that I have achieved in my life before, I always, you know, set that big goal or that dream or even a small goal if that is, and I set a timeline and then I don't question it, you know. Like, I just believe that it is coming, it is meant for me. I have worked really hard for it, I am deserving of it, and there's no way that I'm not gonna get it, right? Like, I really believe in that once I reach that stage. So I'm just so happy that this has happened and it is real. And I just wanted to share this little thing with you guys. You know, I was telling Anish how when I look at it now, it is obviously surreal that it happened, and it happened in 2020. It was one thing that I wanted to like really achieve in this year, and I didn't know how. Like, there's no way I could have done this. It's just happened, right? And I was just telling him how everything that you actually get in life happens twice, because when I see that blue tick next to my name, at one instance it feels surreal, but at the other side I also feel like I always saw this, because I photoshopped it in a way. And if you see this, like, it really like baffles me as to just look at the accuracy of it all. It happened, you know, and this has happened several times in my life before. I have like a diary with everything that I wanted to achieve, and you know, it happened over a period of like 5 years. I'd set that goal. So yeah, I just wanted to like tell you guys about this. When you see someone's success out there, there's so much that is going on behind that you don't even know about. I'm sure like you had zero idea about, you know, this whole journey, like until I spoke about it now, which is another reason that I really wanted to speak about this, because so many times you view somebody else's success and that's just the highlights of their life. You really have no idea as to how much struggle and how much effort and how much it's like a whole thing that goes on behind the curtain. And this is like a really small thing for some people. It might mean a lot to someone else, but I just know that it means so much to me. It means like a recognition of all the efforts that you put in, and especially this has been long coming. So I just wanted to document this and share it with you guys as to how it happened and how I didn't see this coming, and how I actually manifested this. And I am so full of gratitude to the universe, God, and you all for being by my side and for supporting me. So yeah, I'm not gonna drag this anymore, and I think I'm gonna vlog through the day. I had so much planned for today. I had like so many things to shoot, but I'm feeling like so overwhelmed right now. I think this day is going to be a blur, and I'm so glad that I'm vlogging because, you know, I will have memories of how this day unfolds. But yeah, I'm just going to quickly blow dry my hair. I just took a shower, washed my hair after oiling it, and I think I'm going to find a way to celebrate this with Anish because he knows how much this means to me, and I'm just so excited. I hope I was not boring you guys and ranting, but I promise the rest of the vlog will hopefully be really fun. See you guys in a bit. We are done and it's almost sunset and it's so pretty outside. Let me quickly show you. Also, I'm in the balcony right now and I have been working on a balcony makeover and it's almost halfway done, but I am not panning down or through across the balcony to show you what it looks like because let's just say it's gonna be worth the wait. I'll be finishing the makeover sometime this month and the video should be up in the next 2 to 3 weeks, like sometime up next month on the channel, and I swear I have a feeling that you guys are gonna love that video. If you've not seen the rest of the home series makeover, I'm gonna link it right here. I have like 5 episodes there already, and this balcony makeover is gonna go up next. I'm super excited for you guys to see it. It looks so pretty and I love chilling here, and especially today my heart is so full of gratitude and I'm just feeling so blessed to be able to witness this gorgeous sunset at home. Hey guys, it's late evening now and we decided to step out and just celebrate tonight with dinner. Honestly, both of us are such homebodies. We love staying in, we love celebrating at home, and usually I'll just like cook something special or we order in pizza or whatever we're craving, and we do end up celebrating like 98% of life at home and we really enjoy it and I'm not complaining. Like we both are absolute fans of like, you know, staying in and making a party, and we'll just like, you know, order in, cook something special, light a candle, do the lighting and just celebrate. So this feels like a change today. We decided that, you know, this is a special occasion and let's just step out and have dinner because it's also been so long that we did that. So I'm really looking forward to stepping out and having dinner, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We'll just go and do a little bit of makeup. And I also wore a dress. It feels forever that I actually like, you know, reached out to my dresses. I've just been living in like t-shirts and like home clothes. So let's go and get a glam face on and then step out for dinner.